Hey everybody, Chad from Colorado Giants here. Hope everybody is doing well. It is Monday, the 1st, I believe. It's the 1st, about 7:30 at night. Wonderful evening, beautiful outside. I would say it's in the high 60s, low 70s. Max is sleeping, watching him on the baby monitor today. Just went out of range, got to raise the antenna. It is Max's 8th pumpkin birthday today. He is 8 pumpkins old, which if you don't know what that is, then watch our other videos, but it's how many months old he is. So we will get this video started so we can end it. Man, what a crazy weather week. As per the usual in Colorado, we've had tons of beautiful mornings, stormy afternoons, lots of hail. That's been the MO for the last week. That's why all of my buckets are out here, because as soon as I see a little hail, I scamper out here and I put the buckets over the sunflowers and the gourds. All of our irises are blooming, which I've never been a real big flower fan, but I gotta say I really do enjoy these irises in our backyard. We got 7 or 8 different types: yellow ones, white ones, and then some darker ones, purple. We had some black ones. Those have already come and gone though. But we'll keep on going. I'm low on battery. The big elephant in the room. Yes, we finally put the screen over the house. Thank goodness we did, because we did that in the morning. In the afternoon, we got tons of hail. So thank goodness we did that. Emily helped me out. She was integral in getting this up. I couldn't have done it by myself. So we'll start at the end and work our way back. So these are the 1211 alts. These ones are finally starting to kick in. They're the slowest goers, but as you can see, they're finally starting to throw a vine. I don't like how these are reacting to the heat already. It's just this one leaf specifically. So I'm not really sure. That one I thought was double vining for a while, but I can see a leaf or a vine forming. So those are starting to snap out of it, but I really don't like how small they are. World record bushel gourd got planted here, so this will get this general area. And then, these barren plants will have this whole area, and I will trim the bushel gourd plant back accordingly. Today I planted the backup plant that is bigger than the primary plants. As far as vine size goes, the leaves are smaller because it's been in a pot for over a month. But this is the 1984 barren, so I put it over here. I'm going to let those go. I'll make a decision on those in the next 2 weeks, a week-ish. And then this one I'll give more time, so we'll see who wins this race, either this one or this one. Doesn't really matter, because it's basically a square that they're growing in, so I can let them go for a little while. 1985 barren, 1911 Urena. The 1911 Urena is finally starting to throw a vine, and that is definitely picking up steam. I would say this is probably the last week has been the most aggressive plant, as they just start to establish, and hopefully in the next week or so we really hit that point where they want to grow 6 to 12 inches in a day. And then the 1984 barren plants, these ones are both doing good. I put this stick out yesterday to see who grew more, so I would say this one actually grew more, even though I like this plant better. That one has grown more in the last 24 hours, so give it more time. We'll see who wins this battle. But yeah, other than that, nothing really too exciting going on. Tomorrow, hopefully, Emily and I will have some time. We'll throw out the drip tape. We'll get that rolling. I need to finish the toe board along here, and that's really about it. Haven't felt really good this last week. I was kind of sick, so yeah, there's always that. There's always something. Max is doing great. Everything else is doing pretty good. Work stressful, but hey, what else is new? The pitfalls of growing up and being an adult. That's it. Hope everybody else is doing well. Mike had some good advice. He said, you know, don't judge yourself on other people's plant sizes, you know, run your own race. That's definitely true. These plants are much bigger than when I grew my 1367. So I still have hope for getting a 1,500 pounder. You know, am I supremely confident? No, but you know, I'm happy where I am, and I will learn and try and improve as I always do. So as always, everybody, questions, comments, queries, or even a concern, go ahead, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button up here. It's a little bell thing. It'll let you know when we post a video, so you stay up to date on what we have going on here in our backyard. Have a good one.